Our journey begins fresh in the lush strawberry fields. Hand-picked fruits are quickly loaded and transported, straight to the processing plant. Upon arrival, tons of fresh strawberries are unloaded directly onto automated conveyors to begin the transformation process.
The berries pass through high-pressure water jets and agitation tanks to thoroughly clean away all dirt and organic residue.
Specially designed mechanical rollers instantly strip off the green leaves and stems without damaging the fruit flesh.
Advanced optical sensors scan each berry at high speed, automatically discarding any unripened or damaged fruit.
The selected berries are mechanically sliced into uniform chunks to preserve natural fruit texture in the jam. The sliced fruit is then pressed through heavy stainless steel strainers to create a rich, thick strawberry pulp.
Sanitary food-grade pumps transfer the fresh pulp through stainless steel pipelines directly into the cooking area.
Inside massive steam-jacketed kettles, the pulp is cooked under controlled temperatures, while mechanical agitators ensure even heating. Measured quantities of liquid sugar, natural pectin, and citric acid are added to build the ideal sweetness and gel structure.
Under low-temperature vacuum evaporation, excess moisture is removed while preserving the vibrant color and fresh berry taste. Simultaneously, glass jars pass through a high-temperature steam sterilization tunnel to ensure complete hygiene. Automated volumetric nozzles fill the hot strawberry jam precisely into sterile glass jars on a high-speed line. Steam vacuum capping heads instantly seal each jar to lock in freshness and extend shelf life naturally.
The filled jars pass through a multi-stage water cooling shower to rapidly set the jam gel and finalize the vacuum seal. Once dried, high-speed rotary labeling machines apply crisp product labels smoothly around every jar.
Automated robotic arms then pack the labeled jars into heavy-duty cartons for safe global transport. From farm-fresh strawberries to your breakfast table. If you loved this industrial factory tour, like, share, and subscribe for more process videos.